Guys, hope you are doing great. When it comes to budget laptop, it's a segment mostly dedicated for students and entry-level users. Whoever looking for budget laptop, their expectation is to get a slim, easy to carry laptop that performs day-to-day tasks and some mild gaming plus some good media consumption experience without any issue. For those kind of users, Infinix launched their new budget laptop, Infinix INbook X1 Slim. Today let's see the unboxing and quick review of Infinix INbook X1 Slim. Let's get into the video. On the front they mentioned Infinix branding, model name and picture of all color variants. On back they mentioned specification, price and box content. Let's cut the seal and open the box. Here's the laptop. Let's remove the wrapper. On our first impression, the laptop looks really premium. Next, you'll get user manual and warranty card and one Type-C to Type-C charging cable and finally one 65 watts fast charging adapter. Let's talk about build and design. The laptop has full aluminum body. It feels very sturdy on the hand. It has a dual tone finish. On top it's kind of a reflective surface. On bottom it's a matte finish. The Infinix brand logo on the left side is also small. The laptop comes on 4 color variant. The one we have is Cosmic Blue and the 3 more variants are Noble Red, Starfall Grey and Aurora Green. The laptop has 14.8 mm thickness and 1.24 kg weight. As they mentioned, the laptop is slim and light. Next, let's talk about ports. On left you'll get one HDMI, USB Type-A 3.0, one Type-C port. On the right side you'll get micro SD card slot, one Type-C port, one 3.5 mm audio jack and one USB Type-A 3.0 port. On the bottom there is a vent for air intake and below the screen there is a vent to blow the hot air out. While using, almost there is no fan noise. Also on the bottom left and right they provide speakers. Sound is loud but the quality is not that good. And on the bottom you'll get rubber base on all 4 corners. On the last laptop model, Infinix provides separate switch to turn off and turn on the mic and camera, but it is missing on this laptop. Also on the last model, you can tilt your screen up to 180 degree, but you can't do that on this laptop. They provide separate power button, but there is no fingerprint scanner, but that is fine. We can't expect too much for the price. And you'll get dual LED flashlight on the front. You can activate it by pressing the shortcut function plus space key. When we talk about keyboard, it's a backlight keyboard with 2 level of brightness. The keyboard spacing is good and the typing experience is also really great. The trackpad is also very large. It is very comfortable to use. Next, let's talk about display. The first thing we noticed when we opened the laptop, the bezels on the sides are very thin. The laptop has 4.7 mm ultra thin narrow bezel on the sides. On the top, the bezels are slightly thicker for the camera and the flashlight. When we talk about camera, the laptop has 720p camera and the quality is decent. The laptop has 14-inch Full HD display with 100% sRGB color gamut. It has a peak brightness of 200 nits. There is no issue with the indoor usage. The 4K video playback on the display is really good. Overall, it's an amazing display for this price segment. Also, the laptop comes with Windows 11 pre-installed. We didn't find any bloatware while testing. Next, let's talk about battery and charging. The laptop comes with 50 Wh high battery capacity. Also, you'll get 65 watt USB Type-C PD charging adapter on the box. It took almost 90 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. The brand promises 10 hours of battery life on a normal usage. During our testing, on a moderate usage, we got almost 6 to 7 hours of battery life. Next, let's talk about specification. The laptop comes with Intel 10th Gen Core i3 processor with a clock speed up to 3.4 GHz. Also, it has Intel UHD graphics. The laptop comes with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and the clock speed goes up to 4266 MHz. And you'll get 512GB NVMe PCIe SSD card. You can upgrade it up to 1TB. Also, the laptop has Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1. When it comes to performance, as we said earlier, it's a budget laptop that made for students and some entry-level users. The laptop did a great job on day-to-day tasks and some mild gaming. Plus, the media consumption experience was also really great. Finally, when it comes to pricing, Core i3 8256GB variant is priced for 30,000, Core i3 8512GB variant is priced for 32,000, Core i5 8512GB is variant for 40,000, Core i5 16512GB is variant for 45,000, and finally only one variant on Core i7 16512GB variant is priced for 50,000. It's good to see that all variants have at least minimum 8GB of RAM. Finally, to conclude it, Infinix is very younger for the laptop market, so we'll get doubts like durability and service. The brand says they have 1100 plus service center all over the India. Also, they do pickup and drop support. Overall, if you are looking for a budget laptop on aggressive price, then Infinix INbook X1 Slim would be a great option for you. Hope you will find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.